everyone. These are short lessons on Cinema 4D. Now I'm going to tell you how to replace identical duplicated objects with instance objects. Let's select our object and notice that the object's axis is the same as in the world coordinates. And if we look at each object we have, their axes are also positioned like the world scene. The world axis is shown in the upper right corner. So let's get started. First, we will fix their axes. We select all our objects and switch to edge editing mode. Now let's select 4 edges. Ideally, it should form a cross. And now we need to select the exact same edges on each object we have. Now let's go to the top panel, Tools. In the drop-down menu, we look for Axis. In the next window, we select Axis Center. We set the centering to selected edges, and we also set the alignment to selected edges. And we click Execute. Let's switch to Object Mode and check the axis for each object. They all need to face the same direction relative to the object itself. Now that we've made sure everything is correct, let's select our main object and go to the Generators tab. We need to select the instance generator. The instance has been created. Let's move it a bit to the side. Now let's select all the objects that need to be replaced with instances. Let's go to the top panel, Tools, and look for the Replace with tool. We click on its gear. In its settings, the Delete checkbox should be checked, and use the Tag checkbox as needed. Now we select not our main object, but the instance that we created. Hooray! Now all the other objects have become instances. Let's check how all this works. Yes, now we've achieved the desired result. I wish you good luck and see you next time. Goodbye.